Okay, hey, good morning, everyone. This is Demetrius with Akeelah Traders. So today is Wednesday, May 1st, 2024, and we're going to do another just snapshot review of our automated trading systems running, and so you guys can kind of get a good feel of how our systems are operating. And so we've got several different accounts that we're managing here. These are accounts that we're running for Akeelah on our Akeelah Trader system. Our AI system is running. It's identifying trade opportunities in the market. It's executing those trades. It's managing those trades, making decisions on when to get in, when to get out, etc. So let's jump in and take a look at a couple of accounts here. This first one, this account balance is somewhere around $18,000 or so, and we've had a good mixture of trades today on this account. So let's see. Right now we're currently in an AUD USD sell. Let's go take a look at that one. We're trading this one on the 4-hour time frame using our pro strategy here. And so we got into this trade right up in this area here. So right now this trade really hasn't developed much. It was in profit a little bit. The market's pulling back. This is a pretty small trade right here. Let me move this out of the way. But right now, every time our system takes a trade on any of our strategies, we execute 3 entries. And so those entries can be managed separately. So right now we're in a sell here. Our stop losses are up here at this resistance area. Take profit targets are down here. We don't have anything else open. This is just a little sample Doge trade or something. But let's see what this account has done for today. Our primary assets that we're trading on a daily basis are the Dow Jones, US 30, NASDAQ, and gold. And so we traded US 30 today. That looks like that's been all the trades that we've had that have closed out. And so we took some sales on US 30. Let's go over and look at this. We're trading that on the 4-hour time frame as well. Let's look at the hourly. And so so far, since the start of the U.S. market today, U.S. 30 has been pushing up. But we took these trades here. If you see the times over here, this is May 1st. This is 500 hours and 900 hours. So we're running this particular strategy around the clock, 24 hours, trading this only on the 4-hour time frame. So what our system saw here was, let me zoom out just a little bit. What our system saw, we got into this sell right up in this area. And so this was sometime overnight, but the momentum of US 30 was starting to drop. Our system is reading the overall market strengths. We have several different factors that our system is looking at to determine what is the overall strength of the market. Right now, US 30 is showing slightly bearish. But during the wee hours of the morning, our system came in and we found 2 trade opportunities. The first one was at 500 hours. Let's see, that is right around this time, right in here. We opened that sell, and then 4 hours later, we still had sell momentum, so we opened another sell at 900 hours. Both of those ended up coming into profit, and on this particular strategy, we have a profit target that says once we get X% in profit, it's just going to automatically close and take those profits. And so all of these closed right at the 9:30 hour time frame. So a decent profit here on that one. This is $1,300 profit on a roughly $18,000 account. So that's pretty good profit. And that's maybe 7% or something like that. So that's pretty good. Let's go look at the next one that we are trading. This one, this is, what are we in right now? Right now we're only in a sell on gold and a sell on AUD Swiss. So nothing big that's running right now. Let's just take a look at the history on this one for today. So this is our Akeelah advanced account. This one is one of the accounts that's available for copy trading. And so let's look at the history of this account today. And what you should see is we primarily again traded, let me sort these by symbol, because the majority of the things that we're trading is gold, US 30, and NAS. Like we had a small trade in here on Bitcoin. Every once in a while, we're trading Bitcoin, but the majority of the things we're trading is NAS 100, US 30, and gold. So here on NAS 100, we have one of our trend strategies that picked up earlier this morning. This was 15:30 hours. That's 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So we picked up a sell on NAS, made profit on one entry. The other entry took a small loss. The third one was break even. So this is one of these cases where the market actually reversed on us. We were in a sell on NAS 100, and let me go to that chart. We're trading this one on the 5-minute time frame. And so at that time of morning, let's see where we would have been, right in here. So we started out this sell here on NAS 100. We rode this sell down, took some profits, but the market pushed back up. And on this strategy here, our system automatically moves our stop losses. So if we get into profit, what happened in this case is we got a little $400 and something into profit. It took profit on that entry, then immediately moved the stop losses on the other two. It moved one to break even, and the other stop loss, it kept it at its original position. So even though the market reversed on us, we still walked away with profit because we profited on one position. These other two netted in a small loss. US 30, we took a trade on US 30 at 1200 hours. That's at 5 a.m. Eastern time. This is our most aggressive strategy that we're trading on here. So we won all three of those. That's a little over $6,000 on that account. And this account size is 130,000. So relative to the size of that account, that's good. That's about a 5% gain on that. Looks like we also had a sell on US 30, and that one took a small loss. Gold, we've traded, took a lot of entries on gold. Here we're trading gold on either the 15-minute or the 5-minute time frame on this particular account. So we started out early on, some small, not much movement. Then we took some small losses. We took several gains, and then another couple of losses here. So gold has kind of been bouncing back and forth. We've kind of won and sold. Probably overall, this looks like a net loss on gold for today. Well, maybe not, because we profited a little bit down here. So overall for the day, we're up about 47, almost 4,800. So close to 5%, maybe 4% gain on this particular account for today, and a few more that are running. The next one, this is another account that we have available for copy trading. On this particular account here, we are right now in a, looks like we are in a buy on gold, and we took that around 1835 hours, and we are in a sell on NAS 100. So right now we're floating a little bit in the negative on this account. Let's see what we're in. We're in this sell here on NAS 100. Stop losses are up in this area. Let's look at gold. Let's see what we're seeing on gold. We took a buy. Let me get this out of the way. We took a buy on gold, and that's the 1-minute chart I'm looking at. Let me go to the 15. Okay, so we took a buy on gold. This looks like it was a buy stop after we pushed through this resistance area here. So stop losses are down here. Take profit targets are up in this area. And so we'll see how that plays out. Right now, we're slightly in the negative. Let's see where we've closed out for the day. Again, gold, that's what we've traded. Took a lot of trades on gold today. Let's keep going. US 30, wins on US 30, and then kind of a similar scenario to the other account on NAS. Made one win, took small loss on the other. So we're up almost $500 on this account, plus or minus whatever we're floating. So right now we're floating a little bit of losses. So we'll have to see how this account ends up for today. But right now we should have passed, I think, this last sell here on gold. This is probably one of the last ones that we would have taken for the day. Our cutoff times is around this time, 11:30 a.m. Eastern time. So for the remainder of these, we'll keep an eye on these, but our system is managing these accounts. So by keeping our eye, I mean the system will watch it and continue to see if there's any adjustments we need to make there. Okay. All right. So that's a good review of, the accounts that we've got running today. Oh, I think there's one more. I forgot about this one. Oh no. Yeah, I've already reviewed that account. Yeah, this is the one where we closed out a little over $1,300 or so, all US 30 trades. Okay. All right. So hopefully you guys appreciated this review here. Please take a look at our other videos where we talk about our copy trade system. You're able to come in and copy trades on our, whatever our Akeelah system is doing. And so before I end this video, I'm going to jump over to our copy trade platform. If you just go to trade.akeelah.io, and we'll probably do a separate video just diving into this. You can come in here and kind of get a look at what our systems are doing. You can see our information down here on why copy trading, etc. And you can scroll down and you can see the performance of our accounts right now. We've got 2 accounts that are available. Both of these are ones that I reviewed in here, these daily results. So right now, Akeelah Traders Advanced, overall, we're up a little over 50% on that one. The primary account, we're up actually a little bit better on the primary account. So you can follow either one of these. You can go in here and get details. If you want to view these signals, it'll take you in and actually pull up more details of the growth. You can see the actual trades that we've taken. You can go in here and get more details on the account info. You can see where we've been the last couple of months. Let's see, this would have been March. So in March, we ended March actually slightly in the negative on this account. April, we had a great April. We ended up over 70% profits for April. And then right now for May, we just got a small amount here. And so these are very aggressive strategies, aggressive accounts that we're trading, but I'm going to take a peek at the other one. And you can see these kind of details. So go in, take a look at what our systems are doing. And this one's got a little more history on here. This goes back to, I guess this is February. So February, we had some losses here. March, we did good. April and May so far. We just started May, so this is just the results from today. But you can go in and see the trades that we're taking and decide if you want to follow these signals. You can follow, you can subscribe, and actually use, take advantage of our Akeelah systems to copy trade on your own. But we'll do a separate video just walking through the copy trade there. But we appreciate you guys' time today. Please like our channel, subscribe, hit the notification button so you can stay abreast on the kinds of things that we're doing here at Akeelah, and we'd love to have you on board. Okay? God bless you.